Worx Nitro Switchdriver 2.0. The Worx Nitro Switchdriver 2.0 is a 2.0V cordless driver that features a pair of 1/4 inch hex drive rotating dual chucks. It's powered by a Ray-engineered brushless motor, and ships with a 20-volt, 2-amp-hour battery and charger. Dual 1/4 inch hex drive rotating chucks. This allows you to quickly switch between drill and driving bits without having to stop and change bits. Brushless motor. The brushless motor is more efficient than a brushed motor, which means it provides more power and runs for a longer time on a single charge. Digital torque setting. The digital torque setting allows you to precisely control the amount of torque that is applied to the fastener, which helps to prevent overdriving and damage to the material you are working with. LED light. The LED light illuminates the work area for better visibility in low light conditions. Mingo Marker. The Mingo Marker is a firewood measuring and marking tool that allows you to quickly and easily measure and mark firewood to the desired length. It is made in the USA and is constructed of durable materials that are built to last. Easy to use. Simply roll the Mingo Marker along the log to measure and mark the desired length. Accurate. The Mingo Marker is accurate to within 1/4 inch. Versatile. The Mingo Marker comes with a variety of marking wheel sizes to accommodate different firewood lengths. Durable. The Mingo Marker is made of durable materials that are built to last. Made in the USA. The Mingo Marker is made in the USA. Overall, the Mingo Marker is a great tool for anyone who cuts their own firewood. It is easy to use, accurate, and versatile, and it is made of durable materials that are built to last. If you are looking for a way to save time and effort when cutting firewood, then the Mingo Marker is a great investment. Additional marking wheel sizes are available for purchase, including 16-inch, 18-inch, and 6/12/24 inch. Schleiferl Light. The Schleiferl Light is a chainsaw sharpening tool that is designed to be portable and easy to use. It is made in Austria and is constructed of high-quality materials that are built to last. Portable. The Schleiferl Light is compact and lightweight, making it easy to transport to the job site. Easy to use. The Schleiferl Light is simple to operate, even for beginners. Accurate. The Schleiferl Light can sharpen chainsaw chains to a precise edge. Versatile. The Schleiferl Light can be used to sharpen a variety of chainsaw chains. Durable. The Schleiferl Light is made of high-quality materials that are built to last. Overall, the Schleiferl Light is a great tool for anyone who needs to sharpen their chainsaw chains. It is portable, easy to use, and accurate, and it is made of durable materials that are built to last. If you are looking for a way to keep your chainsaw chains sharp and in good condition, then the Schleiferl Light is a great investment. The Schleiferl Light can be used with a variety of power sources, including a drill, FLINT SPANMESSER. I'm unable to find any information about a tool called a FLINT SPANMESSER. It is possible that this is not a commonly known tool, or that it is a regional or brand-specific name. If you can provide me with more information about the FLINT SPANMESSER, such as the manufacturer, where it is sold, or what it is used for, I may be able to find more information about it. Rulers. Rulers are long, straight strips of material that are used to measure the length of objects. They are typically made of wood, plastic, or metal. Tape measures. Tape measures are flexible rulers that are used to measure the length, width, or height of objects. They are typically made of cloth or plastic and have a metal tape that extends from the case. Measuring cups and spoons. Measuring cups and spoons are used to measure the volume of liquids and dry ingredients. They are typically made of plastic or metal and come in a variety of sizes. Levels. Levels are used to check that a surface is level or plumb. They typically have a vial of liquid that is centered. Weller ZeroSmog Shield Pro. Efficient particle and gas filtration. The ZeroSmog Shield Pro uses a two-stage filtration system to capture at least 85% of particles 0.2 to 0.4 microns in size, including lead, cadmium, and other hazardous fumes. Powerful blower with adjustable extraction power. The ZeroSmog Shield Pro has a powerful blower with adjustable extraction power to ensure that fumes are effectively captured from the soldering area. Stockable with soldering stations of all brands. The ZeroSmog Shield Pro is designed to be stacked with soldering stations of all brands, making it a versatile addition to any workbench. Connectable to variable Weller soldering stations. The ZeroSmog Shield Pro can be connected to variable Weller soldering stations for automatic fume extraction when the soldering iron is in use. Easy to move around. The ZeroSmog Shield Pro is compact and lightweight, making it easy to move around the workshop. Easy filter change. ValRemote. The ValRemote is a remote control system for the Valfa spindle wedge, a tool used to split logs. It is made by Basting Gum, a German company that specializes in forestry equipment. The ValRemote consists of two main components, a transmitter and a receiver. The transmitter is a handheld device that is used to send signals to the receiver. The receiver is mounted on the Valfa spindle wedge and receives signals from the transmitter. The ValRemote allows the user to operate the Valfa spindle wedge from a safe distance. This is important because the Valfa spindle wedge is a powerful tool that can be dangerous if it is not used properly. Emergency stop button. The transmitter has an emergency stop button that can be used to stop the Valfa spindle wedge immediately. Two-stage safety switch. The transmitter has a two-stage safety switch that must be activated before the Valfa spindle wedge can be operated. Low battery indicator. The transmitter has a low battery indicator that alerts the user when the battery is low. DEPSTECH DS300 Southeast. The DEPSTECH DS300 SE is a Wi-Fi endoscope that allows you to inspect hard-to-reach areas using your smartphone or tablet. It has a 1080p camera with a wide viewing angle, and it is waterproof and dustproof. The DS300 SE also comes with a number of accessories, including a carrying case, a set of mounting brackets, and a mirror attachment. 1080p camera with wide viewing angle. The DS300 SE has a 1080p camera that captures high-quality video and images. The camera also has a wide viewing angle of 112 degrees, which allows you to see a large area at once. Wi-Fi connectivity. The DS300 SE connects to your smartphone or tablet via Wi-Fi, so you can view the live feed from the camera in real time. You can also record videos and images to your device. Coast CL40R. The Coast CL40R is a rechargeable clamp light that is designed for hands-free use. It is made from durable materials and is rated IP5 for water resistance, making it suitable for use in a variety of environments. The CL40R has a 3900 lumen cob LED that provides a bright, wide beam of light, and it features 3 different brightness levels and a strobe mode. The light also has a built-in power bank that can be used to charge external devices. High output. The CL40R has a maximum output of 3900 lumens, making it one of the brightest clamp lights on the market. Durable construction. The CL40R is made from durable aluminum and ABS plastic, and it is rated IP5 for water resistance. Versatile mounting. The CL40R has a strong clamp